Hi, this is Andrew from Immerse Games.
In this video, we will go through creating and managing your classes. When you are ready to get your students set up, go to tytoonline.com and log in with your credentials. Welcome to the Tyto Online Learning Dashboard. If you bring your mouse to the left sidebar here, you will see all the teacher tools you have access to. So, let's say you want to create a new class. How do we go about doing that? To set up your class, click on the Manage Classes option. At the bottom of the page, you will see an option to create a new class. Click on it and a new class prompt will appear. Name your class, type whatever course or subject you're covering, or select it from the drop-down menu and put in whatever description of the class you would like. Click on Save to create the class. From here, you can add students in several ways. The first way is via a generated registration code, which can be activated from this function here. A class code will be generated, which you can share with your students when they register for a student account. Another way to add students is via Google Import, which you can use if you have your student information in Google Class. Finally, you can simply manually add students. You can determine if you want the usernames of the students you add to have auto-generated usernames. For now, I will keep this on. Click on Add Student and you can manually enter the names of your students. Once you are satisfied with the addition of the student names, click on the Save button and your class will be created. You can see the students in the roster here with categories like their names, their generated usernames, and their associated passwords which you can share with each of your students. One important thing to note is that this password here is only going to be shown to you this one time for security reasons. Once you leave this page, the passwords will be hidden. A suggestion will be to print or write down these passwords for each of these students and saving your own copy as well before you leave this page. As you can see, the passwords are now hidden and we can only rely on that saved password roster. However, if you need to add more students or change their passwords if they forget, all you have to do is come back here and go to Edit Roster. Through here, you can remove students and change their passwords. On top of that, you can continue to add more students with the usual options. And with that, we have learned how to create and manage your classes in the Learning Dashboard.